Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 278, first bad version. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by using binary search. And the reason why we would use binary search is because the brute force way would be to actually check all of the versions to go from 1 all the way to n or backwards, but that wouldn't be the most efficient way of doing that. If we use binary search, we could accomplish the result in log n, and that's the reason why we use binary search. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do for binary search is to appoint your pointers. So your left would be equal to 1 because that's where you will be starting your version from. It's always from 1, not from 0. And the right would be equal to n. Awesome. So once you have that, you'll set up while left is less than right. What you need to do is you need to get the mid element, so that would be equal to left plus right minus left divided by 2, and then you need to check whether it's actually a bad version or not. So you say if is bad version, and you send in mid. If it is, then you set right to be equal to mid. And why do we do that? The reason why we do that is because we have possibly hit the first number that gives us the bad version, but that doesn't necessarily mean that there aren't other bad versions before that. So you set the right to be mid. Otherwise, you would set left to be mid plus 1. That means we haven't reached any of our bad versions yet. So you would move to the right side, and that's the reason you'll assign left to be mid plus 1. And in the end, you would just return the left. And the reason why you're returning the left is because you need the first version that would actually give you, which is a bad version. So that's the reason why you return left instead of returning anything else. Awesome. Let's try to compile this and see if it's okay. The first test case is okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's talk about the space and the time complexity. The time complexity is of n, since we are using binary search, and the space complexity is of 1 since we don't really use any additional space. Awesome. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I would really appreciate that. It motivates me to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you all in the next video.